welcome to the video. Today we've got to fix a quad. All the wires have been chewed and yeah, so I'll show you it now. How's it going?
It stinks. It's really quite bad.
That's the problem. Rats have been inside it. We've chewed in there and in there.
Chewed everything.
Little helper. So you remember, if you're doing any kind of mechanicking work, wear your safety crocs. At least when you're doing the electrics.
4-wheel drive as well.
Right, so because the wrap tube for all these, we put temporary connectors on, but we're going to get some bullet connectors afterwards. But obviously it was the ignition cable that it chewed through, so we had to sort that out. A few bulbs that need sorting. And then these are obviously just dead wires that just stay there. But yeah, everything's sorted. If you like videos like that, be sure to like and subscribe. That was basically, it was quite a simple job. All it did was a bit of connectors, not finished yet because that's only a temporary fix. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.